Hi guys, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to plaster a wall. First off, you need your plaster and trowel. I tend to use Marshalltown, they're a good brand and I've never had one fail on me yet. Same as bricklaying trowels, I tend to use Marshalltown. And the other things you're going to need is your Refina sponge. And the Refina sponge is going to give you a lifeline for beginner plasters, as because it's soaking wet, because you've had it soaking in the bucket. When you go on the wall, any unlevel places in the wall, this here will drag more plaster from off this into the shallower dips. And you just run it all over, just like that, and you come down your reveals, all like this. You know, just really rub it, don't be afraid. And once it's all completely wet, and you move on to the Refina finishing trowel, which is this one, and it will give you the glass finish you want, as it's so flexible, unlike the other trowels which I showed a minute ago. This is really flexible, and this here just literally you just trowel in, and as you can, you know, it's got that bend on it, that which you get tight in all your reveals, well, like that. So I'll show you, straight in and pull away, and it will just give you the glass finish you're going to want. And then literally once you've troweled it in, you'll sit back and you'll look at that wall and you'll be so proud. So come with me, I'm going to get ready, get in my work gear, and I'm going to plaster some walls. watching the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, if you haven't already, and hit that subscribe button so then you don't miss any of my videos.